We're getting up to some Grom activity.
Let's get the fucking ripping, bro. I'm so high.
Let's get the ribbon.
This is gonna be so much fun.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
I know it. If I close your...
Shut up, man.
Oh, that's not cool.
Don't tell me what to do.
I start recording and you switch up entirely. 3 people max are seeing this. You're good. You gotta be in front so I can see this. Taking the Grom to some back roads. Yeah, this is the dragging knee aficionado, by the way. He's 1000% gonna be dragging where we're going on that thing. Woo! The whole reason he's on the Grom is because his R3 is getting worked on in my garage right now. Dude, you look good. The full suit on the Grom, you looking good.
Yeah, you wanna see something?
What? What are you gonna wheelie?
Oh!
Holy sh! What the f? That's a whole ass Bugatti. What?
Oh, bro, what the fuck?
What the f? Oh, bro. Dude, that Chiron is crazy. What the heck? 20, 30, I can read his speedometer. 35, 38, 39, 40, broke 40 miles an hour, 42, 41, 42, 43, 44. Oh my God, he's killing it. The boy's speed demon, 47 miles an hour. Oh my God. Full tuck, hold on. Oh, we're passing the Grom. Get fucked. Oh my God. This is gonna be either the greatest video I've ever made or the worst one. Dude, on the Grom, fucking show off. Everything on the Grom is just funny, dude. Oh my, I can't stop staring at him. I'm gonna run myself off the road because I'm so distracted. Look at this fucking guy. Where the hell is he going? He missed the turn. Dude. Oh shit, check that out. That is pretty. Bro. Where the fuck are we? Bro, you missed the turn of line, bro.
Wait, did I?
Yes! I was wondering where the fuck... Have you not gone this way before? Oh, dude, why the fuck did I let you go in front? Bro, I thought you knew where you were going this whole time. Boys, I don't know what happened, but if you can see in my mirror, behind me is blue, nice skies. But somehow over here, there's crazy... I mean, look at that! Look at that! But look what's going on in front. This is where we're going. We're going that way. This is a problem. But we got the Honda Grom. I have no idea if it's coming through, but the chain... Ooh, Sheriff. The chain on the Honda Grom desperately needs to be cleaned and re-lubed. And you can kind of hear it. Dude, this looks bad. You know, I was gonna throw out a comment like, man, this weather's crazy to him, but he's dead set on the mission. That shit is so stupid, but it is so fun. Dude, the air changed, it's windy, it feels cold. Dude, holy shit, my bike is getting pushed by the wind. I can't imagine how he feels. He's on the fucking Honda Grom! And he's hitting that shit! Ooh, nice bikes. Alright, we got to where we want to go. Here's the update. The winds are continuously picking up. The temperature is dropping. It is 2:45 on a Sunday in Texas. It was 90 degrees an hour ago. Well, we're on the back road we want to be on, so now we're getting into some real Grom activities right now. Holy shit! Insane loadout on that car. He jumped it. Holy fuck. I don't feel grounded at all. I feel like the wind is gonna push me over if I lean too hard in a corner. How does he do that? You're kidding me! It's raining! I see the water on my visor! Holy shit, I'm not gonna lie, fellas. I feel like I'm in danger. My bike is wobbling so much in the... Oh my god, in the wind. He dragged. He dragged. He dragged. It's raining fully now. I cannot see. Try and wipe the lens for you. I don't know if that helped. I think that might have actually ruined it. I don't know. Dude, you're fucking crazy. Oh my god, it's picking up. I actually don't even know if my GoPro Media Mod is waterproof. I'm just kind of assuming. What if it's not? Dude, it hurts. What the fuck is this guy doing, dude? Really nice cars out. And bikes. Oh. Dude, what the fuck is going on? What? Where did this come from, bro? It was so sunny, dude. God damn it, man.
Bro, I was knee down in a lot of the fucking corners.
I know, I saw.
That was fun.
Sorry.
Oh, you're on the Grom today? Hell yeah.
Alright, boys, here's the situation. It is wet as shit out. The mission has gone critical. We're going indoors. I didn't put the pin lock thing in my visor, so it's so foggy I can't see. The cop can still see you in his fucking mirror. Oh, this guy's crazy. Nah, the road is too wet, bro. I can't. Oh, bro, this feels bad. Why is he going so fucking fast, dude? Wet bike, wet road, wet tires, wet suit, and he's fucking cornering. Oh, shit. Are you good? Oh, is the bike good?
I don't have a foot peg, but I'm fine.
You what?
I don't have a foot peg.
Oh shit.
Right, let's go.
Okay.
Oh wait, hold on. There's a... come on.
Holy shit, you don't have a foot peg, bro.
Huh?
You really don't have a foot peg.
Yeah, let's go.
Okay. God damn, bro, slow it down. This motherfucker is insane, dude. I'm taking it so slow, dude. I am not trying to also do that. I don't got frame sliders. I don't got shit on this bike. If I slide out like that, it's toast. Taking it slow. God, I can't see. Why the fuck is he going so fast, bro? He just crashed. Dude, I'm trying to get through this without, like, leaning at all. I don't want to be leaning right now, dude. I don't think that's a cop. I think that's just a dude. Yeah, that's just a dude. I don't even know if you guys can see anything. I have a lens over the camera for like bright days. Because it was a bright day. I am staying in second gear. I am keeping myself slow. Maybe I lied. Dude, I'm cold. I'm cold. Oh, dude, that guy's ripping it. I didn't even warn him about the cop. I'm sorry, car. I think he just discovered that what he thought was a peg was his rear brake. Oh shit, he has something to rest on. Dude, what the fuck? This guy. This guy. What is... Oh, you're... My strap on my helmet is unbuttoned. I unbuttoned it because I thought I was going to take my helmet off earlier, but I didn't. It's tied, but it's unbuttoned. Oh, I'm an idiot. God, I cannot see. I have a lens wipe. Maybe that helps you. Oh, why is the rain picking up harder? We're leaving. Dude, come on. Oh, it hurts. I just realized he crashed with my phone in his fanny pack. If my phone is fucked up, I'm not gonna blame him or ask for anything, but I will be slightly sad. He's fucking... Dude, it doesn't go faster. Oh, you're kidding. Oh, we're almost home free. Are we live? I thought my camera died. It turned off. What? Okay, well, update. We're closer to home. He's trying to get the Grom up a hill, and he started using his rear passenger peg as a foot peg. And also, he missed the right turn that we should have taken, which would have been significantly easier for him. But in his defense, I don't think he knew about it. Record that on my phone right now for the post game. Look how fucking wonky your brake lever is. That shit is stupid. The rest of the Grom was fine. Goddamn.